Now we're just getting all the screenings underneath it. Then I'm gonna tape it off, pour concrete over it, since the concrete truck is literally bearing down right behind me. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Team Tate Outdoors. I'm Donovan. If you haven't already, go down there, hit the like and subscribe button. Our journey of our homestead, building our homestead, started a few weeks ago when we started building our house, and now we are actually getting our concrete slab poured. So we're gonna go around here, the trailer here, and check out the concrete. These guys are doing a really good job pouring it, and soon we're gonna be getting some sticks up and framing this house. So let's go check on the slab. Alright guys, all the screenings are on the ground. Time for the skid steer to go to work. Get this thing leveled off, get ready for concrete. Decided to put in a nice drain right here where we're going to park the cars over, and so I was helping them get it installed because at last minute I decided to put this in here, and Ben about killed me, so I figured I would help out. So now we're just getting all the screenings underneath it, then I'm going to tape it off, pour concrete over it, since the concrete truck is literally bearing down right behind me. this? Yeah. They're working fast, man. My back hurts just watching them.
Saludos para Mexico.
So I'm on the top of the concrete truck with one of the concrete trucks. What's your name?
Dion.
Dion. Dion's over here. He's the one operating the truck, making sure that they got concrete pouring in the right spots. He got a guy in the back carrying the machine. Look, you can see him in the back. So Dion's really the brains of this operation. He got a steady foot on that gas pedal. Dion helped us lay the footing last time, so he's doing a great job. Thanks, Dion.
Thank you.
Man, it's exciting seeing all this concrete go down. Really exciting because the truck's not getting stuck. So I like that part the best about it. There's Linda overlooking. Only got a little bit left. Oh, I think I got some concrete on my screen. There we go. I don't know. There we go. Stay.
Chécale, dime si quieres más. No, con ese está bien. ¿Seguro? Con este ya, con ese. Ok, está bien. Vámonos. Hey, háblala.
Losing light today. Sun's almost down. These guys are still hard at it, trying to make this concrete as smooth as possible. I mean, they're down to water bottles and scrapers and just, I mean, it's such a hard job, concrete, back-breaking labor and cold out here. So I really appreciate these guys and what they're doing for us, laying this concrete slab so well. Because we're going to be doing stained concrete floor, so the floor is very important that it gets done and done right, because it's what's going to be shown in the house. We're not covering it up. So, but man, they're almost done, down to the last little bit here. Talk about a lot of work. I mean, they started this morning pretty early and just haven't stopped. I think I got here, I mean, I came outside around about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and they were already here and doing stuff, and that's when we decided to put in that long drain, and well, we got it all done, and they're finishing up the last final touches. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. Remember to go down there and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and give a huge thumbs up, guys. If you guys think these guys are working hard, make sure to go down there and comment, and they'll see it because they watch the video. So comment on how good the job they did and give them a thumbs up. All right, This is Donovan with Team Tate Outdoors. We'll talk to you on the next video. See ya.